You don't need more information. You need less. Reduce input, focus on what matters. Clarity increases when noise decreases. So we're talking about the Krystic Embodiment method, TM, and this is the multidimensional chakra system. Right now we're looking at gate 28, which is about cognitive load and nervous system simplification. In the Temple of Light free group, I would get you to limit one form of input for 1 hour today, and then to reflect on what changed in your body and mind when you focused. For the Embodied Leadership Circle, I would go into a little more teaching on it. The nervous system has limited processing capacity at any given moment. Too many open loops create cognitive fatigue and physiological stress. Simplification increases performance because the body no longer divides the energy across multiple spaces. It's across excessive demands. Clarity often emerges naturally once that overload decreases. So your practice is to reduce inputs to the top 3 priorities only. Then the debrief is what immediately felt lighter and what resistance appeared when simplifying. The homework for the Embodied Leadership Circle would be to reduce 1 unnecessary input per day. In the Balanced Self-Sanctuary, I would give a little bit of an understanding about gate 28, and then we would go into the practice. The practice would be to remove 1 unnecessary input and focus only on your top 3 priorities. The prompt is, what felt lighter when complexity decreased? Your reset for the day would be quiet and simplified focus. All right, so for those groups, I do lives within them each month, and the Balanced Self-Sanctuary is first live of the month is going to be on June 9th at 3 p.m. Mountain, 3 till 4:30 p.m. Mountain. You can either get it for free by being a member of the group, or you can do the drop-in rate, which is $22.22 Canadian. So $22.22 Canadian to join. And we're talking about regulation with the nervous system, and I'll give you some practical tools to support that. The Embodied Leadership Circle is on the 10th, so the very next day, or next Thursday. So Wednesday for the Balanced Self-Sanctuary, Thursday for the Embodied Leadership Circle. The Embodied Leadership Circle is meeting at 5 p.m. Mountain, though. So I will keep talking about those as I'm doing the content, but you can drop in for either one of those events. And then the second event for the Balanced Self-Sanctuary will be on the 25th of June, whereas for the Embodied Leadership Circle, it's the 24th. So those are the dates for the lives in those groups. You can check out Anshara'El and the events page to see what's up and coming and to book your tickets. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.